shut the door.
Well, damn.
I ain't say nothing.
Drop y'all.
Nothing.
We here. Finna try to get this thing on in here. Try to get Joker in. Let's see what we got. Just get a little test run on it. I don't got no mic, but today, let's get it up high enough. By myself, I need somebody else. But, see that there? I'm experienced. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Do that one. Mix as if you can. Okay. You want to be stubborn. Let's see. Boy, I really need 2 here. Let's go up a little bit more. Go in some more. There it is. See, it's the issue right there. Get over to the firewall like that. Can you see? So we need some help, brothers. All right, got the firewall now. All right. Looks like I'm gonna have to go up some more. All the trade food gonna be got out there. All right, let's see. Let's get some down here. So what's all this stuff on the floor? Where is this from? What's over here? Oh, it's across the room. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Boy, I need 2 hands. Let's see what we get. All right, we got some more. I don't know, these headers might come up, y'all. God, knew that was gonna be dripping out of there. That's all right. Shit, it run out. I got no plug for that clear sheet. That's why I put that down in the need no plug for that hole. Okay. We can get a tilt on it some more. Hope y'all can see it, but all right, so we touch it. I don't know if that's gonna fit, y'all. Think the headers might have to come off. Yeah, so headers might have to come off of that. You know what? That thing can fit down that little gully right there with the motor mounts in. So the motor mounts in here, I don't know what can fit in that gully. So we snatch these headers off. Looks like it's not gonna work. That's not the clearance there. It's things in the middle. Both on the inside of the frame. Shoot, I don't know. Let's see. Now, it's like the headers about to come off, y'all. So let me snatch them off. Let me snatch the headers off real quick. Okay. All right, let's see. This bearing all the damn fans. Do it up the damn remote. Okay, that's all right. I thought it was fit, but you need to drop down a little too low right here. Test one. All right, y'all. Get these big 2-inch. Put the headers out the way. Let's try this one again. Okay. Take it back on up in there. You up in there. All right, let's come on down now. He told me they will fit what I'm on now. I think somebody told him wrong. Right there. All right. Going on in with it. Right. let's come on down with us some more. All right, let's get it right there, y'all. Temporary start the lines up out the way. Okay, fellas, I got tired of waiting on help, so I'm gonna try to do it my goddamn own self. So, okay, all right, this is what we gotta do now, fellas. Looks like we gotta come back on the tip now. We got Simple Giver going. Y'all done gave me no thing on name yet. Man, I need to get some gauge. Gotta see if we clear this transmission housing right here. We almost there. Let's get a level out once we can. I think we're there. Touching the top of the cab now. All right, let's see. We got real tight. Y'all deal with yourself. Shit. You got no help. You gotta deal with yourself. All right, let me drop it down a little bit. Look like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but see where y'all focusing at. So we can get this doggone mountain line up. Both sides with one person, nobody underneath. All right, let's go. Ease on down the road. Ease on down the road. Still loose. Hold it, hold it. Come on. Kid, don't you be in the doggone way. Okay, we think we're set there, but we're not set over here. So, let me come back up with it. Shouldn't have to come up much, though. Shouldn't have to come up much, y'all. Just, there we go. All right, let's do this. Let's get this one in. Okay, looks like we almost there, y'all. Let me get this little boat here. See if I can slide it in. Wait, let me see if I'm on the train side of the back, y'all. Yeah, so it looks like I got this side. Y'all can see it still. Move this side. Bring him up some more on the back. Okay, all right, we almost there, y'all. Let's see. Need to come up a half crankage. You over here. Stay. All right. Stay there. Okay. We got one boat on the other one side, y'all. All right. Now we got to line this one up here. This one's hard. It looks like we over the top right there. I'll be there. Off just a hair. It's lined up, but it's off. I think I'm twisted over. Let me let it back flat some more. Look like a flat. Let me let it flat some more. Maybe it'll bring that side down because this boat was already in, y'all, on this side. Maybe. Now, I think I was twisted, y'all. I'm twisted. Gee, let's see. There you go. Looks like this joker gotta go over some more. Like it's this damn motor, I need to be sharing out. Both of these jokers the same on Chevy. I thought so, y'all. Well, look, I'll tell you what I got right here. I'm a hair off right here. Like I'm almost a hair over. I'm in that blowhole over there. Maybe I'll take that blowhole out, line this blowhole up, then see what we got over there. Well, all this supposed to match up and bolt up, so let me see where I'm at with that. Let's see. Let me take it out on that side. See what we got over there. So I'm take it out. Yeah. Might have put too much on it. Might have put too much on it, y'all. Yeah, look like I did. Let's see. Where we at? No? Okay. All right, let's see. Y'all can't see that but my big ass. let that down again. I'm gonna go with the chain out like that, so right there. That's what she gotta be at right there. Now it looks like I'll swing it over. Thought I might figure out where I got to be at. So, oh shit, I see an issue back here already with the chain. Okay, with that. Knock that one out here. Boy, we off like 3 something inches. Let me knock this over here. Let me take that one out on that side. I should have did this side over here. All right, let's see. Let me get something to pull that thing out though. Let me get this bolt out. We're gonna try on the other side. Y'all hang on one second. See, the problem is, y'all, this bolt hole is off. So I'm gonna jerk this and see where this moves at. I mean, I'm off like 1/4 of an inch, not even that. I think it's because I got this hooked up. It's kind of at an angle. I'll still wait to line this up too. Okay, a little closer. Not quite there. I got to figure out how to get that jump in there. Got the bolt on the other side, so I got halfway in so I can move this bitch around. What I'm thinking is how I'm gonna get that jump out. Let's see, yeah. Come on here. I think I need another person. I'm like I have to squeeze the goddamn frame together. Let's see where we at here. We so close. We're like this far, y'all. Holes lined up evenly, perpendicularly. Just can't get it over this way. You solid motor mounts. It's the second pair, so I know the first pair I bought, they said was totally wrong for the 454. But hell, we gotta map this out, y'all. Let me see here. How can I get that jerk over the right way? All right, got an idea. Hang on. Shut the door. Well, damn.
I ain't say nothing.
Drop, y'all.
That was worse than the harmonic balance.
Well, I had to call in reinforcements. Jose, Milton. So I told y'all I needed reinforcement for this bitch. We got it in there though, y'all. We got it in there. After a bunch of rigging, I forgot to record it, but we got it in there. So just quick thing, it's in there. It's sitting in the C10. Y'all kiss my ass now. I'm tired. It's Sunday. We're gonna go watch Super Bowl. All right, Milton, say what up.
Peace.
Say what up, Jose.
Got it.
All right, 4 to 4, man. We out. PSA. It's good to have friends. Thanks, friends. My friends Milton, Jose, as you've seen previously in this video. But y'all ain't got no friends. I mean, it's a hard thing, but man, I sure thank them. They helped me get this 454 big block sitting in the C10. So I took the headers off, but I'm trying to keep this damn thing stable as possible, y'all can see, but it's in there. But I sure thankful for friends, because Lord willing, without them, I don't know what you can do. Without, good friends. So it's a little quick PSA, man. You got friends, treat them good, enjoy your friends. And, oh shit. Make sure you got some good ones. And I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Got all this wheel clearance. All the weight's on it, it's on the ground. And I got a country mile. So, yep. But 4 on 4s, we out for the day. Yeah, for the Sunday. Hey y'all. Project Flip Forgiven, the motor's in it. Sitting in there on this little lonesome. So, like I say, y'all be thankful for friends, man, because nothing like having good ones.